How to ask for time for interviews from guests? This is a very crucial question, and the answer can differ from person to person. How do I handle it? How do I ask for time from the guest is a different method, but I'm going to share the method of Sir Rehan Allahwala. He has jotted down a very concise, brief and powerful introduction as how he asked for the time from a guest. So Rehan writes, "My name is Rehan Allahwala. I work to eradicate poverty from Pakistan. I believe that your knowledge can help me achieve my goal. I also want my audience to hear from you." You can check the text here. "I also want my audience to hear from you, to understand you, and to support you in your life goal that can push you to get your goal. I would like to do a 30 minutes conversation with you in which I will ask you the following questions." Now this is a bit tricky. Question number 1 is, share with us your life story. Question number 2 is, what you have learned in your life. Question number 3 is, what 3 advices did your parents give you? Question number 4, what message would you like to give to our audience? These questions are very generic in nature, and if you see that, it can apply on anyone. You can ask this question from any person with any specialty. And the beauty of this question is that it is very simple. It is very easy to answer. If you are going, number 1, should you write questions in your invitation? Yes, you should, because it gives an overview to your guest that what kind of questions are going to be asked. And once they see a very generic, very simple question, it encourages them to be a part of your show, because it's very easy to tell someone your life story. Everyone loves to share the life story. So in contrast of sharing difficult questions to the guest in invitation, it is highly recommended to share some 3 to 4 very easy and very generic questions, because this helps you up to get the invitation accepted. And within that text, you mention that you want to learn from their knowledge, and you believe that by this interview, after conducting this interview, you are going to achieve your goal a bit more easily. So it encourages, it motivates the guest to accept your invitation. And at the end of the text, you can put a link like, "PS, please click this link to view my previous shows or view my previous interviews." Within that link, what I recommend is that put 2 or 3 of your best interviews that you have conducted so far, the most quality interviews or with the most prominent figures, so they can go up to those videos and check that how do you talk, how do you ask questions, how do guests feel appreciated, motivated within your interview. So that's your profile that they are going to view. So do put the link to your page or to the link of your past 3 very good interviews, so that they can go up to your profile or those videos and see that what your show is made up of. And it's easy for them to say yes or no or accept your interviews. If you follow these guidelines closely, then most probably your invitation and your request is going to be accepted and approved. Thank you so much.